What's going on, guys? ATV Show here. We're getting the first snow of the season. Snow is falling. We're going to go out for a ride today. Chase is going to join us too. So Nate and I are going to go for a ride here real soon, but we're going to gear up for the winter. It is snowing like crazy. All right, let's get out there. Neutral. Got Chase and Nate out today. Got the two Can-ams out and the Honda 2011 and a 2016. Is mine taller?
Looks like it. I think you just got bigger wheels too.
Probably. I mean, stock tires versus whatever they put on. I mean, your back tires are exact same. Yeah. The exact same. Alright. It's been a while since Nate's been out with us. Chase is out. So, I thought it rained enough, but the stuff looks like it's still dry, but I guess we can try and do our best without flipping, you know? Alright. 500 to 570. Let's see what we can do, boys. Another field. This is the field we'd always been wanting to get to. It took us a while, but we went through back that woods over there. We figured out a way to get back there. It's freaking amazing. Took us forever, but we found our way. So let's see what this field can do.
Are we still filming or no?
Yeah, you can keep filming.
I can hold it.
Yeah, that's probably the best idea.